Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, today I am going to start the new lesson, that is multiplication. Okay, now in multiplication already you know the tables from 2 ones are 2 till 12 ones are, right? Yes. Now today if you revising all the tables, then this lesson is very simple. Okay children, now today, yes, you have to open your textbook, page number 51. Okay. Now, in your textbook, if the page number 52, all of you see the page number 52. See, it is the page number 52. Now, what is the question here? Complete the table. Okay. Now, you can observe children. Here, bats. How many bats are there? 2 bats. See, 1, 2. 2 bats. Here also, 2 bats. 2 bats. Here also 2 bats. Okay. See how to write this. This can be written as 4 times 2. Because understood here? Because there are total here 4 times 2. That is 4 into 2. Now similarly see here 3 pens, 3 pens, 3 pens. Okay. These 3 pens. How many times are there 3 pens? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Therefore, we have to write 3 times 3. Okay. Now next, here, see this example, ice creams. How many ice creams are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice creams are there. That is 4 ice cream 1 time, 4 ice cream 2 time, 4 ice cream 3 time, 4 ice cream 4 time. Therefore, we have to write 4 times 4 or 4 into 4. You know, right children? The sign of multiplication is this one. Okay, you studied in tables, right? 3 into 4, like this you will write. This is called as what? Multiplication symbol. Or it can also be read as into. Okay, keep in your mind. Now similarly see here children. 1 hand, 2 hands, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 hands are there. Therefore, how to write? 5 times 5. Therefore, or 5 into 5. Okay children, like this. Next, open the page number 53. What is there in page number 53? Multiplication by 2. Okay, you can see here. How many apples are there here? 2. Therefore, how to write here? 1 time 2 is 2. Therefore, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is how much? 2. You have to write here 2. Now similarly see, you can see here 2 apples, here 2 apples. There are total 2 times 2 is 4. This can be written as 2 into 2. Okay now, see here 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples. These 2 apples, how many times is it 2 apples? 3 times. This is the 1 time, this is the 2 time, this is the 3 times. Therefore, we have to write 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, we have to write 3 into 2. Okay, like this children. Hello. Okay, are you understood right here? Yes. Now, similarly, you can fill up this one also. Multiplication by 3. See here, banana is there. Okay, here how many bananas are there? 3 bananas. 3 banana, how many times is there? 1 time. Therefore, we have to write 1 time 3 is 3. Okay, here 1 into 3 is equals to 3 you have to write. See in the second one, see children, here 3 banana, here 3 banana. Okay now, 3 banana, how many times is there? 2 times. This is a 1 time, this is a 2 time. Therefore, 2 times 3 is 6. It can also be written as 2 into 3. Okay, you have to write in the box 6. Are you understood? Okay, similarly see this example. Here how many times banana is there? 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Therefore 5 times banana. 5 times 3. Why 3? Because 3 bananas are there. Therefore it can be written as 5 into 3. The answer of 5 into 3? 15. You have to write here 15. Okay children? I will send you the notes, this lesson notes in your WhatsApp group. You have to write down in your class work. Okay now? Now, come to the point. Next is children here, all of you open the page number 61. Page number 61 is fill in the blanks is there. Okay, this page number 61 is fill in the blanks. It's very simple, children. Already we did these, okay, in the tables. Okay, we did the tables, right? 3 ones are, 8 ones are, 4 ones are. Okay, if you know the table, then we can easily solve this type of sums. Okay, if you know the table, then multiplication is very, very simple. Okay, that's why I'm telling you starting onwards, revise the tables every day twice. Okay, see the first question, 3 into, this symbol is called as what? Into or multiplication. Okay, 3 into 4, read 3 table, children. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are 12. See, I am going to write here 12. Is it clear? Fine. Now next one, 8 into 5. Read 8 ones are table. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. See, I am going to write here 40. Okay. Now similarly, see children this question. Read 6 ones are table. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. I am going to write 18. Okay. Next. See next one. Here see this question, children. 5 into 3. Read 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are how much? Yes, 5 3s are 15. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now come this question. 9 into 4. Read 9 ones are table. 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are, yes, 9 4s are 36. Okay, similarly come to this question. 6 into 5. Read 6 table, children. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Therefore here you have to write 30. Are you understood? Yes, it's a very simple. If you know the tables, then easily you can solve this type of sums. If you know the table, then multiplication is very, very simple. Okay. Next, come to the next question. 4 8s are. Read 4 on the table, children. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Therefore, I am going to write here 32. Okay. Come to this question. 5 into 5. Read 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so simple, right? It is simple. Only those students who are revising the tables. Okay, now come to this question. 3 into 8. Tell me, children, 3 into 8 is how much? 3 8s are 24. Similarly, 6 into 6. Read 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Okay, study, you did this type of sums in tables, right? Okay, in your FA1 and FA2 question paper, I gave this type of sums, fill in the blanks. Okay, it is also the same thing. Okay, now similarly see here, question number 8 8s are 64. Now similarly, 6 8s are, read 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Okay, children, like this. Okay, now I am going to send the notes of this lesson, and this thing also you have to write in your classwork and you have to write in your homework. Okay, thank you.